Hey, what's up, TCM? So today I am on my way out to Colorado to go visit Rudy and to go meet, not to go meet, but you guys are gonna meet Rudy. I accidentally put my packing my bag in slow motion, so hopefully Rudy could speed that up. Thanks, Rudy. Also, hi, future Dylan. So hopefully everything goes well. I'm gonna be filming everything. You guys are gonna get a cool cinematic video later. Hopefully, I don't know, we'll see. It'll be cool. So, I'll see you guys in Colorado. Alrighty, so we are all packed. Let's make our way to Colorado. Sick. Alright, so I'm here at the airport, Denver, right? We're here in Denver now. There's so many people here. It's funny because with COVID, I was expecting to be at the airport with absolutely no one here, and obviously that's just not the case. It's not as packed as usual though, so there is that. So because we arrived so early, like 40 minutes ahead of schedule, I'm not sure how long until Lexi gets here. But it's all good though. Let's see if we can get some of this protein right here. Sick. I got pranked. It was closed. So no protein for me. So I guess Rudy and Lexi are almost here, but I have no idea where to go. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is our editor.
Hello.
And that is Lexi.
Oh, terrible.
Oh my gosh. Can you tuck check? Can you tuck check? Should you tuck check?
No.
All right, I'm not gonna make it in.
I did one the other day and it was horribly.
All right, so we are finally out to a training session. Jacob's really bad. I went to a session last night and just got caught up and didn't film anything, but I made it out here with the boy Jacob. If you haven't seen his farewell video, it'll be in the top somewhere over there or over there. Well, yeah, one of those places. Yeah, you know. So usually I don't condone being on top of any roofs, but Jacob wanted to do it, so we're here. You do this one now if you really wanted to do some type of gappy thing. This is cute, like honestly. Don't die. There you go, yeah. So this is like the bad thing about like America, I guess. The roofs aren't entertaining at all. Every roof I've been on has just been like maybe one challenge. It's never been fun. Oh God. Okay.
Count, folks?
No, it doesn't count. Take two. Sick. Yo, we gotta go. Yeah, that's why you don't go on roofs. We're waiting for the police.
Just leave.
Yeah, well.
Choose.
He's inching closer.
Should we just go?
It's up to you. We'll hang out. Nice. Solid session. 10 out of 10. So the guy said we were gonna get cited, so we decided to leave before the cops show up. And I'm pretty sure he's following us to our car right now. So definitely should have just left earlier. because he has a license plate picture now. Oh well. Good job, Jacob. Off to the next roof, I guess, right? So let this be a lesson. This is why you really shouldn't train on roofs. Just aside from the risk to reward ratio is just not very great. And I know a lot of athletes tend to overhype, or tend to overhype roofs a lot. The risk to reward is just not there for me personally. So if that's really something up your alley, like, don't let me stop you from doing it. But just, one, know your limits. Two, be respectful, you know, don't break anything. And I guess three, if you're really gonna do it, just don't get caught. That's the spot right there. There it is. Oh, thanks. Ah, that's so scary. Why I jumped so scary? Nope. I ripped more. You see this? You're not gonna see it in the camera, but.
Well, I am now.
Oh, nice.
Dylan's crotch.
It's not the first time they've seen it. The dam jumping video with Gage.
Check that out, link.
Yeah, that side.
there.
No, it's gonna be on this side, I think.
It's gonna be on this side. Well, we'll find out.
One of these areas?
You gotta watch to find out. Subscribe and you'll see it.
It would be cool if your knee wasn't trash.
Yeah, it would be.
What about running stride, one step tack pre?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, that's actually dumb.
From one strap.
I two-stepped it though. Nope. How do people jump off their right leg?
Yeah.
I don't understand. I lost my hat, it doesn't count. That was gross. That was better. Yes!
Yeah.
Thanks, Jacob. You did it.
I did it.
Wow, first try. I got it. Sorry. How do people jump off their right leg? I was going that way.
Yeah.
So of course we spent 30 minutes over there, and then this beautiful spot right over here was right around the corner. We didn't even know, because why bother looking?
Oh, that's not so good.
Oh, dude, you're practically 100% now, man. Wow. I would never guess that your left knee was hurt.
No, not because I landed like this.
Yeah, not at all. Oh, hey, yeah, that works. Yeah, that's a thing. It's starting to rain a little bit, so we're gonna end the training session a little early before we get caught in a rainstorm, because if you know anything about Colorado, it'll rain, snow, and hail in 10 minutes and then be sunny in the next half an hour. So we're not sure what's gonna happen. So we don't wanna get caught in the rain. Isn't that right, boo-boo? Oh yeah, look at cutie pie.
What's up?
I have a video that you might enjoy. Wow.
Why would you do this to me?
Rudy said it would be good.
Oh, it was so bad.
Wow.
My eyes are watering. I'm gagging so hard. You guys. So mean.